Hi everybody, so today I'm on my way to Chris's and we're going to tint the taillights. So I'm going to go get the truck washed real fast and then we're going to go to Chris's and we're going to work on putting on some air tint on the taillights. I'll see you when I get there. Okay, so here we are at Chris's and we've got our VViViD air tint. What we're going to be using for the tail lights, and you can see we haven't done anything. Chris is the tint master. He already tinted his Audi, which I've showed before. I wish I had a before and after, but I'm hoping my truck's going to look just as good. So I'm just going to set you up to watch what we're doing, but we're going to link, or I'm going to put up above to a channel who does the VViViD vinyl tail lights. He does a great job explaining it, and we're not even going to try to do a how-to. But I just wanted you all to see how this is going to look from start to finish. So stay tuned. Okay, so we just finished the one side. Well, finished, we haven't trimmed it all off. But that's what it's looking like. There's a lot of edges in this that we weren't expecting. So we're having a little bit of finish issues, but we're hoping that we can work them out. And then maybe with the sun over a few days, these teeny air bubbles will come out. I'm not sure if you can see them in the camera. But if you stand 3 feet away, it looks pretty sick. I'm really hoping it comes out. But compared to the non-treated side, to the treated side, I'm really liking the style, the look. So we're gonna keep going. Okay, so that's the end result. I don't know what you all think, but I love it. It changes the entire look of the back end. I'll try and put a before and after photo in. But yeah, so we're gonna put a link to the guy that we watched. I think it was CK Wraps, and he uses the same air tint that I just used. I'll put a link to the product below. Thanks to Chris for doing all the work, Chris. And he did most of the work on the taillights. It was a lot more challenging than we thought because there's all these channels in the F150 light. I did the top light. I forgot to press record. It looks nice, awesome, because it was super easy to do, so I don't want to take too much credit. It's a flat light, and it took me probably less than 10 minutes. And the two lights on the bottom with the learning curve took us an hour or two, so a little longer than we thought. So this is the part of the video where I usually invite you to subscribe, but Chris finds that kind of annoying, so today we're just gonna stand here like this and say thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one.